Hello friends, thank you very much for the warm response you gave to the unboxing video of these two Adidas running shoes. It's time now to take a look at their performance. I will first start with the Adidas Viking 2.0 running shoes. Actually I had brought these shoes for my wife, but I am running in them for the last 5 days to test their performance. There is not much difference between the men's and the women's running shoes except for the colors. The women's shoes are of slightly lighter shade and color. Otherwise there is not much difference. I have talked to many shoe experts and I have myself used women's running shoes in the past whenever I could not find my favorite running shoes in the men's section. So if you like these shoes, you can go ahead and buy these shoes. So let's look at some of the specifications of these shoes. The upper is made of knit mesh which ensures breathability. The heel cup is quite sturdy and places around the feet quite comfortably. The midsole is made of EVA and the outer sole is made of rubber sole. So as I told you during the unboxing video that the sole is the most important thing in a running shoe, and while running in these shoes for the past 5 days, I found that it is offering a good grip on the road and also on the unpaved roads and trails. So these Adidas Viking 2.0 running shoes are basically training shoes and are best for beginners who want to run 5 to 10 kilometers every day. And these shoes are also best for seasoned runners during the foundation and the base period. I have myself used these Adidas, these kind of running shoes during the foundation and base period while preparing for marathon and cross country during the years 2017 and 18. And I can guarantee you that these are one of the best durable shoes and you can easily cover anywhere between 50 to 150 kilometers per week, and they are going to stay with you for at least more than 6 months. If you are running somewhere between 50 to 40 kilometers every week, you can easily use them for at least 1 year. So friends, these are the Adidas Helkin 3 shoes. The overall design of these running shoes is the same as that of the Adidas Viking 2 shoes, except that the heel is quite higher in Adidas Helkin 3 shoes, and the heel to toe drop is also on the higher side. So because of the high heels, you won't be able to run fast for longer in these shoes, and so these shoes are basically for beginners for jogging or slow running every day for 5 to 6 kilometers. and these are also one of the best shoes for someone with a huge build and need a lot of stability in the legs. So I don't recommend these shoes for a seasoned runner who want to use them during the base or foundation period. So if you want to buy alternative to these shoes, I have given some alternatives in the description below. You can check them out. And as far as I am concerned, I am not running much these days. I am running only 5 to 6 kilometers because there are no races around. And I am sure that after using these shoes for 2 and 3 months, and after wearing them out, the performance of these shoes is going to be much better. That's my experience because I have used Adidas shoes, and I know that the main speciality of Adidas running shoes is that they are quite durable. And I hope the review was helpful. If you have any queries, you can comment below and I will soon reply. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a great day.